Hello, it's Abby from Oldham Volkswagen, and today I'll be walking you through this brand new vehicle. This is the Volkswagen T-Roc R-Line 1.5 TSI DSG. And it comes painted in the stunning deep black pearl finish, which looks absolutely fantastic with the VW badge detail that's in the front and the rear of the vehicle. And here are stunning wheels, which do complement the exterior finish very well while offering a very stylish look to the car. And to minimise risk of damaging the vehicle in any way, the power folding windows do fold them unlocked. And as we access the boot, you'll notice we have a fantastic and spacious boot size, large enough to fit stuff like shopping bags or even a pram, and we do have the additional storage space underneath there. Following on, we can see this T-Roc really does have some lovely and classy interior. As you can see, over ISOFIX points, cup holders and armrests at the back, which makes this car perfect for families. And as we access the front of the car directly, we have that comfortable interior and jam-packed car full of fantastic features, and around you can see more in detail of the driver's cockpit with plenty of interesting features that we will touch on later. Making our way inside the vehicle, you'll notice the multifunction steering wheel does one nice to the grip, and we do have automatic headlights there, ensuring that those in the correct times, alongside the window controls on the driver's door handle, all easily accessible on the right hand side there. Once this fantastic car comes to life, you can now gain access to a dashboard display where we can view key information here like our mileage, also on the move, and we do have our assist systems featuring adaptive cruise control, aligned to maintain a safe and steady speed while driving on the motorway. Over to the infotainment screen with a wide range of options that are available for us to use. Heading to our App Connect, there's obviously Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing us to access driver-safe applications including Spotify, Apple Music and Gigamax navigation. Speaking about navigation, this incredible detailed display will keep you on track, and you can also show the surrounding cluster, making it easy and safe for us to use while having an island view of the road ahead. And to tailor your driving experience, there are many different driving modes to choose from, depending on what type of driving experience you may enjoy. For example, we have Eco if you'd like to be fuel efficient, and also Sport if you'd like to pick up speed a little faster. And with this car, you do have your pilot offering you confidence while driving in those tight spaces, as the sensors and cameras ensure safety. Over to our climate controls, you'll notice we have our front heated seats with 3 different levels of heating to choose from, offering that cozy driving experience.